Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing LullaBites Sleep Gummies, a supplement that claims to help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. These gummies contain valerian root for relaxation, L-theanine for calmness, magnesium for sleep support, and 5-HTP to boost serotonin. Plus, they're sugar-free, vegan, halal, gluten-free, and allergen-free, which makes them appealing to a wide range of people. But do they actually work, or are they just another overhyped sleep aid? Let's find out. Many users have shared positive experiences saying these gummies truly help them relax and drift off to sleep more easily. Some even call them a game changer in their nightly routine. One happy customer said, "These little stars make me see stars while sleeping." Another advantage is that LullaBites Sleep Gummies are easy to find. You can purchase them on Amazon or directly from the brand's official website, where they provide clear details about the ingredients. Transparency like this is always a good sign. But now, let's talk about the downsides. One of the biggest complaints is the taste and texture. While some people find them pleasant, others describe them as too firm and strange for a gummy. Another issue is inconsistency in quality. Some users say their first batch was soft and effective, but the next one was stale, dry, and almost inedible. A common problem, especially with Amazon orders, is receiving old, dried-out gummies that feel more like plastic than a chewable supplement. If you're considering trying them, it might be safer to order directly from the official website to avoid these freshness issues. Another major concern is the price. Many users feel that LullaBites sleep gummies are expensive, especially considering the mixed results. One disappointed buyer wrote, "I wish they worked for me. Bummer." They're overpriced, and the value isn't there. Some also mention stickiness, where the gummies arrive stuck together in one big clump, making them difficult to separate and chew. Others have reported discolored, dry, and tasteless gummies, raising concerns about quality control. So, should you buy LullaBites Sleep Gummies? The reviews are mixed. Some users love them and swear by their effects, while others find them inconsistent and not worth the price. If you're willing to take a chance, buying from the official website is your safest bet. But if you prefer a reliable and consistent sleep aid, you might want to explore other options before spending your money.